too wild. Can raw chicken make a man free again? Is it impossible to make a slave man into a free man? It was so easy to make man a slave, because man in the nature, although they're very manly, that testosterone real high in the nature, but man is also, man don't know the evil in the nature. So when people who do scheming, people who say something and do other, you cannot trust what a man of schemes gonna do when they say they're gonna do that. A man in the nature is an honest man. Yet they're gonna fuck you up. But also, they don't know these schemes and these evils that some folk came up with. So, when these schemers, little schemers, come into the natural environments, maybe give some raw chicken, take some raw chicken, but they have that poison in that raw chicken in a way that they get on your good side. And once they get on your good side, they're gonna slave you. Natural man doesn't play chess like this. Natural man just enjoy the moment, be present. But these little schemers, these little flies, they're real good at that chess. They're a couple moves ahead of you. A natural man, perfect target, because they don't suspect this kind of nonsense. They're naive. They're very strong, but they're also very naive. So they can be taken over. And when these schemers take over, tribe after tribe, natural people after natural people, that's when the problems start to arise. We forget what it means to be a free man. And once a man a slave, man always a slave then. We're way too domesticated to go out there in the wild, in that zoo. When chimpanzees in the zoo, they start to masturbate. When chimpanzees in the wild, they have that semen retention. And they got the beaches there. Once a tiger in the zoo, you cannot let that tiger into the wild anymore. It has lost its natural senses. It doesn't survive in the wild anymore. It's depend on the master. But the only thing I depend on is raw chicken. Raw chicken, my master. Delicious raw chicken. Get it. Thank you for watching. Go enjoy your domesticated zoo life once again, and I will go enjoy mine. Namaste, motherfuckers. See you on the next one.